Hello.
I only use about 5 products in the shower, and they're all pretty easy to find zero waste. So the first one is just a simple bar of soap. I use this for body wash as well as to wash my face, and I found this one locally and palm oil free. I also use a shampoo bar for my hair. They usually last longer than bottles. I also use a stainless steel razor. So this one wasn't too expensive compared to a lot of the models out there. This one was about $30, but I will be using it for the rest of my life, which means I don't have to keep paying for disposable razors. The only thing I'd have to buy are blades, which fortunately are pretty inexpensive. I'll also use an apple cider vinegar rinse, which is about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar mixed with a cup of water, and just rinse it over my hair instead of conditioner. And finally, I'll use this bag of soap ends. When I get to the end of a soap bar, and it's just like not really usable anymore, it just crumbles up, I'll put it in this little bag of soap ends, and I will use it to sense up, instead of like a shaving cream for when I shave my legs, I'll just use this. I use a bamboo toothbrush here, and I also use this charcoal tooth powder. I actually make my own deodorant. Here it is. It's pretty much just shea butter, coconut oil, essential oils, arrowroot starch, and baking soda. And I love it. So for this oil, I'll only use it in the winter when my skin is dry, and sometimes when I do break out, I'll use this acne treatment. Oh, you can see. It's also from Bestowed Essentials, and everything that she makes is vegan, and this is vegan as well, so cruelty-free, obviously. So yeah, we'll leave that on my skin, like, I guess, problem patches for like 20 minutes, and then we'll wash it off. In the winter, I will make like actual coffee, but it's summer now and it's really hot outside, so I made cold brew rather. Making cold brew is super simple. I use a recipe from Live Planted, so I'll link it down below, but it's essentially just a couple cups of water plus several heaping tablespoons of ground coffee. I use the French press grind just because it's easiest to strain. So I will set it. Usually I'll do it in the morning for the next morning. It needs to set between 12 and 24 hours. And then in the morning you have freshly made cold brew. Oh, I also have some homemade peanut butter milk that I made with some peanut butter and water. Genius. Okay. Yep, tastes like cold brew. By the way, these coffee grounds will be going into the compost that I leave it in my freezer, and then I drop it off at the farmer's market whenever I go on the weekends. Also, I'm trying to figure out what to make for breakfast. Nothing is perfectly zero waste because I went to the co-op that I usually go to this week for shopping, and they actually had a fire, so they were trying to get rid of or sell off all of their products. So I bought a lot of stuff that was in packaging but would have gone to waste. I would much rather prevent food waste and take on food packaging than waste the food and the packaging if it's perfectly good to eat. So yeah, we'll show you guys what I make for breakfast. So that's my morning routine. I'm gonna sit and drink this smoothie with Boo. If you haven't met Boo, this is her. Say hi, Boo. Yeah, hope you all have a good morning. If you have any questions about my morning routine, feel free to comment below. Hope you all have a great day. And I will hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.